डेल्टा पीएलसी के ऊपर डेल्टा पीएलसी डीवीपी 14SS2 को वंडरवेयर के इंटच स्काडा से कनेक्ट किया है और उस कनेक्शन के लिए KEPServerEX 6 का यूज़ किया है। KEPServerEX 6 से मैंने डेल्टा पीएलसी डीवीपी 14SS2 को कम्युनिकेट किया। देखिए अभी लाइव देख सकते हैं आप। I have communicated Delta PLC DVP 14SS2 with Wonderware Intouch Scada and using KEPServerEX 6 server. See, I am pressing from here. See my finger on B, and you see this button, and you see also this light. If I press this button, this light will glow. I will make the light dim so that you can see. If I press from Scada, this light will glow. This one number. I give this. Now you can see from here. I am pressing from Scada. You can see both. See this light glowing. See this. See this light also working from here. Also working from here. You can see the on Scada screen. See this. Also from there. Intouch Scada communicating from. See this. See this. See this from here. Both light you can see. This is both light. See. This is the Intouch Scada and communicating with the Delta PLC DVP 14SS2 using KEPServerEX 6. KEPServerEX 6 ये सर्वर को यूज़ करके डेल्टा PLC 14SS2 को मैंने कम्युनिकेट किया इंटच का स्काडा वंडरवेयर का इंटच स्काडा से सक्सेसफुल।